or should I say, good evening to each and everyone, especially to our board of one of you is a grade 12 student, 18 years old, stunner, proudly representing Mama mo, market vendor.
Hindi man ako kasing ganda ng mama mo, o kaya kasing sexy ng ate mo. Malay mo, ako, amo. Pinapatay na lahat ng adik sa mundo. Kaya sa candidate number 12, sumuko ka na. Standing in front of you is a fresh 21-year-old stunner. My name is Ars, proudly representing Sangguniang Bayan! The embodiment of fortitude, excellence, and uprightness. Graduated from Far Eastern University, here I am, Ava Brianna Aguinaldo, 26 years old, representing SC, no, Student Council, no, SC, Senior. Naging kasabihan, ako ay hindi gamot na hindi dapat kaming gamot sa anumang uri ng sakit. Thank you.
If diamonds are polished by friction, then man perfected by trials. What's up, madlang tayog? Sumigaw lahat na walang jowa! Okay lang yan, kesa sa ginawa mo siyang mundo, solar system naman pala kayo. Joke lamang po. Standing in front of you is a fresh 22 years old stunner who hails all the way from the majestic barangay of Tayug. Yes, from the home of the brave, Barangay Amistad. My real name is Vincent Bautista Amistoso, but tonight, since this is a pageant, please do allow me to stand by the name, ang nag-iisang fresh, Miss Venus Eloise the Queen. As si Miss Venus na mag-iiwan ng isang kasabihan o isang katotohanan na sa mabubuti nilang balat, magagandang mukha na pinagpipiestahan ng grupo ng kalalakihan. Sama-sama po nating baguhin ang pamantayan ng kagandahan. Maganda sa iilan, sexy sa karamihan, papantayan, tatapatan, at minsan pa nga po'y hihigatan ng babaeng nasa inyong harapan. Balat kumanay itim, huwag niyong mamaliitin, dahil sa gintong uri ng patimpalak, may negrang tatatak. And I am very proud to represent Amistad Toda!
Happy Panagyaman Festival. A girl in front of you is a fresh 19 years old stunner, hailing all the way from the land of Trinchera, Tayug, Pangasinan, Purok 5, Tamat Street, with 1 dog, 2 cats, 1 old granny, and 1 pamangkin in the house. But since this is a pageant, please do allow me to stand by the name of your one and only, Kiana Hablay. Isang palakpakan naman po dyan. Representing Rural Health Unit Tayug. Kung dito tayo makakakuha ng libreng turo, anti-rabies, anti-inflammatory, anti-glutathione, and sinubambari. Once again, this is your candidate number 5. Mark my number and I'll be back. Thank you.
Nasataw! Komedyan dito eh.
Saan kayo punta? Wow. Nasa inyong harapan ang pinagmumukhang aso. Chares. I am Marian Rivera. Tumahimik kayo. Hindi pa totoo. I am Cristal Valdez Collado, 16, representing Tak 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 Tak!
Or should I say, magandang gabi po. Ang hindi papalakpak, subwak, tipita. Ang hindi sisigaw, pakpakot, titugaw. Happy Fiesta Tayug Pangasinan. This is Morgo Benigno Rabago, 19. Proudly representing Guardians!
Kung ang araw palubog na, tsak gabi na. Pero pag ang pisngi ni candidate number 12 lumubog, ang ina shit shabu pa. Sa ngalan ng 7 Dragon Ball, candidate number 12 mukha kang bulbul. Tonight is the best celebration of beauty and diversity, where confidence takes the center stage and authenticity shines the brightest. In real life, this is Alexia Maisel Ramos, fresh, never been kissed, never been touched. In short, virgin. Eme, 18 years of age, hailing all the way from Wak Wak Wak, Sariwak Wak, Ukik na Piwak, Lawa! But tonight, since this is a pageant, please do allow me to borrow the name of one of the most beautiful faces in the showbiz industry. Bakit hindi niyo po sabay-sabay palakpakan at iwan ang babaeng nagpauso ng Kanwi Smoke and Funk? O ang babaeng minsan nang nagpatigas sa nota ni Anthony Jennings? Maris Racal. Maris Racal na nagsasabi, kung pangit ka, huwag kang magtaka, nasa lahi nyo yan. Once again, this is candidate number 8, Maris Racal, 18, proudly representing the home of empowered women. So kayo, samahan ng kababaihan! Ang hindi papalakpak, mamamatay. Ang hindi sisigaw, masusunugan ng bahay. Joke lang po. This is Bea Ramirez, 20, representing the local government unit.
Joining in this particular pageant tonight is not easy for me. Because before I stand here tonight, I receive a lot of negative thoughts, bashing and criticism because of my body. And because I'm very masculine. But tonight, people of Tayug, damagod kayo amin, mga bakbud garod apo ti bakla nga bangul-bangulan. Mga bakbud garod apo ti bakla nga masul-masulan. Ladies and gentlemen, I joined tonight because I want to change the stigma of this pageant. maganda at sexy sa karamihan, mga naglalakihang dibdib na pinagpipiestahan ng mga kalalakihan, tatapatan at minsan pa nga po ay hihigitan ng baklang nasa inyong likuran. Ngayong gabi, sobra nga po ang nakakapangamba sa pagsali ko sa patimpalak na ito dahil sa nagagandahan at nagsisiksihang mga kandidata na nasa aking likuran. Ngunit ngayong gabi, ako pa rin po ay nananalig na mas mananaig pa rin po ang talino, diskarte at higit sa lahat, dedikasyon para sa patimpalak na ito. This is Maui Iverson Ulidan Sagaysay, 22 years old stunner. Hailing all the way, where we celebrating Panagyaman Festival, Municipality of Tayug, Province of Pangasinan, Barangay of Magallanes. At bago ko polisan ng 4 na sulok na tabladong ito, nais ko lamang pong mag-iwan ng katagang, hindi bastos, hindi nakakatuwa, ngunit kapupulutan po natin ang aral. That always remember, crown is not made of jewels, rhinestones, nor diamond. But a true crown or a beauty queen is made of determination, hard work, and consistency. Thus, again, this is your candidate number 10. Mark my number and I'll be back and I will show you the true meaning of beauty and brain. And I'm proud, in honor, and dignified to represent Farmers Association. Good evening.
Ang hindi hiyang masusudugan ng bahay. Sa panahon ngayon, 3 lamang po ang masarap. Una, pagkain. Pangalawa, pera. Pangatlo, ako. Kung hindi po kayo naniniwala, just call my number, 0912-553347. Again, 0912-553347. This is Jasmine Soriano Madraga, 18, representing the United Gay Association of the Youth Incorporated. Thank you. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Candidate number 8. Ang dami mong sinasabi. Sa dami mong sinasabi, pati Mike hindi na makahinga sa bawang hininga. Walang pinsan-pinsan, kung puwit pinagpapawisan. Candidate number 10. Pinag-aralan kita, akala ko tao ka, yun. Candidate number 7. Huwag kang piling maganda, piling ka lang, hindi ka maganda. Candidate number 2. Ang tapang-tapang mo, pati gutom, nilalabanan mo. And candidate number 9, huwag na po nating husgahan, kaibigan ko po yan. And candidate number 12, ako yon. My name is Rica Gandara Rivera, fresh, not virgin. And I'm graduated of Bachelor Natividad, major in Paraiso. Charot. Nais ko po i-study ang templadong ito. Nais ko po mag-iwan ng isang kataga. Bakit nauna ang A kaysa ang B? Dahil mas importante yung attitude kaysa beauty. Inay, anong ulam? Wait lang. May nakalimutan ako, there's more. Representing